Seriously? Dude, are you ready?
Are we rolling?
Yeah, we're rolling.
Dude, why didn't you tell me something? All right. 3, 2. What was my line?
Come on, man.
All right. I'm ready, I promise. This video is all about gaming on your brand new iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. This video is broken down into 4 segments. First, we're gonna open these iPhones up. Then we're gonna do a benchmark to see how powerful the CPU and GPU of these phones are. And then we're gonna do an unboxing of this game controller that I'm really excited about. And then at last, we're gonna check out some gameplay and give you my thoughts. If this video turns out to be a little bit longer than usual, I'll probably drop the timeline into different segment of the video. So in case you want to skip around, you can see it in the description and hopefully on the screen. Was that good?
Yeah.
What's up everybody, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. If this is the first time you're stopping by and you like tech content like this, please remember to hit that subscribe button, like this video and turn on the notification so we'll miss my future contents. I'm sure by now you've seen a ton of iPhone 12 unboxing videos, so we're just gonna fly through them really fast and start the benchmark tests. Let's quickly unbox these iPhone 12s. So let's get on with the benchmark. I have 4 different iPhones here, starting with iPhone XR, iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 12, and iPhone 12 Pro. This is a Geekbench 5, and we're gonna start with the CPU test. All right, the results are in. You're looking at the single core and multi-core performance. Single core 1589, multi-core 3930, iPhone 12 slightly less, iPhone 11 Pro Max 1329 and 3366 for multi-core. And now we're gonna go ahead perform a compute benchmark, basically measures the GPU performance. So the poor iPhone XR is still going, but we have 9398 metal score for 12 Pro, 9100 for 12, and then 7271 for 11 Pro Max. So the 3D Mark test is another well-known benchmark test that would really put these devices into an extreme 3D rendering, lots of fogs, particles, ton of different objects that it needs to render real time. Both 12 and 12 Pro are struggling, but 11 Pro going very, very smooth. Part of it could be software optimization. All right, so let's see the results. Poor XR is still going. iPhone 11 Pro Max, 5172, and 12 Pro, they really struggled. XR just crashed. I'm just gonna take this out. So if you see here, it started performing really well, but then something happened. Both iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, they dropped performance significantly and they were not able to recover from that. I'm almost thinking maybe I need to run this test one more time to see what happened. I'm very, very curious. The results were a little bit different this time around. iPhone 12 Pro had the highest score, but I did see that it was struggling around the same spot. For some reason, there is something about that part of the test. It makes both 12 and 12 Pro significantly drop in FPS performance. I think there is some throttling going on here because they don't want the phone to overheat. All right, this is Rotor Riot. It sells for $50 on Amazon. There are a few reasons why I picked this up. Number one, it is only $50. Number two, it has an actual controller size, not the one that would attach to the 2 sides of the phone. I'm personally not a big fan of those. Also, it will be nice to have the controller and the screen a little bit further away from it. As you can see, it would attach to the top. Number three, it directly connects with wires, so you don't have to worry about latency. But what's interesting is there are a few other wired controllers. This is the only controller right now on the market that is Apple certified, that you can plug it in with the lightning cable, that offers the R3 and L3 buttons. My unboxing knife. There's also a companion app called Ludo Map. First impression, I like the size of it. It has kind of like an Xbox game controller feel to it. The buttons are clicky. They seem a little bit hollow and they don't have that much resistance. Then we have this attachment. So this is spring loaded. this is how it looks. The cable seems a little too long. I'm not sure what's the point of that. As a matter of fact, this is one of the downsides of it, to be honest with you. One, the cable is too long. Number two, the cable is built in, so if for whatever reason this snapped, I won't be able to replace the cable. But besides that, I don't see any other concerns. Also, another huge benefit of this controller I forgot to mention is it has a power pass-through port right down here, which is a USB Type-C. So you can keep your controller plugged in and it will keep the controller and your phone charged at all times.
Enemy in sight. Reloading! Let's go this way.
Ah, I got a nuke. I got a nuke.
Reloading. Changing mag! Let's go this way. Reloading!
Oh. Like a boss. Oh my god, that was incredible. This is probably the most fun I've had playing a mobile game. So it looks like I can use the controller with PUBG Mobile. So some games you may not be able to use it. So do your research. If you're gonna buy the controller to play a very specific game, you want to make sure that game actually offers support. So here's the final conclusion. The reality is nobody's surprised that this phone can handle any mobile gaming that you throw at it. So we know that's going to perform well, and it's really fun to play the games. If you're gonna use only the phone and have a grip played without the controller, I actually like these flat edges. It makes it a little bit easier for you to have a full control as you trying to get a nice grip on the phone. And if you're gonna play with a controller, just kind of keep in mind some games, at least I couldn't figure it out, like PUBG, I couldn't get it to work with this controller. So make sure you do your research. If you're gonna buy the controller for a very particular game, you want to see if that game supports controllers in general. I really hope Apple come up with an update to trying to optimize the A14 Bionic chip to be able to perform a little bit better, because it looks like there are some thermal throttling going on right now. So that's why we were getting some inconsistent results between 12 Pro and 11 Pro Max. If you guys have not had a chance to like this video, please do so. This will be a huge help to me and my channel. So this was it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you hadn't had a chance to like this video, please do so. It will be a huge help to me and my channel. And I'm really excited about how powerful these machines are. Hopefully you guys are. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have already ordered your iPhone 12 or maybe you already have one. And what is your most favorite game that you're excited to play on iPhone 12? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
And cut!
Whoo!
Dude, we gotta do that again.
That wasn't
I
good.
just saw the mic was off.
What do you mean the audio wasn't recording?
Just kidding.